Alright, in this video I'm going to be adding Bluetooth capability to my older Nissan Pathfinder. Now to do this I got this Sochi Bluetooth receiver, and admittedly you do need a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary jack in your vehicle. If you don't have that, it won't work. My Nissan has the auxiliary jack, but it does not have intrinsic Bluetooth in the stereo. So this is why I need this, so that I can run Bluetooth through my car stereo, listen to music, that kind of thing. So right away, this Sochi clip is pretty small, and I got this thing from Canadian Tire, although they sell them other places. I'll throw some links in the description, and it was about $25 Canadian. I don't know what that is US, probably about 18 bucks. It comes with this 3.5 millimeter jack, so obviously you need that to plug into the car, and it comes with this elbow one as well, which I'm not going to use, but that's fine. It just goes in like that, and if you wanted a hard mount, it would just plug into your car pretty much straight up. And then obviously it has a USB-C type charging port. And those are all the things that it comes with. Pretty straightforward and obviously pretty simple to use. So I did charge it for about 2 hours. In my vehicle there's the auxiliary jack. Sometimes the auxiliary jack is hard to get to. This one I could probably just plug the phone in, but I do want the Bluetooth anyway. And I do have a cigarette lighter charger right beside this little cutout in the dash, so that's where I'm going to throw everything so that it's out of the way. And then to hook this thing up, obviously you just need to put the 3.5 millimeter into the vehicle, and then the other end of the 3.5 into the Bluetooth device, and that's pretty much it. If you want to have it constantly charging, you can just plug it in like I did, or not, depending on what you want to do. And then to pair it, you just hold down that middle button until that little blue light starts flashing. You can see it right there. And then go to your phone or your other device that you're going to be playing your music off of. And in this context is the BTR3, and you can see that my phone paired with it, no problem. And now I can adjust the volume. Obviously I'm going to put the volume all the way up on the phone, and then I'll just use the car stereo to adjust the volume for any further adjustments that I might want to make. Shove everything back into this little cutout. Obviously it's a bit of a mess of cables, but that's okay. Once it's all stuffed in there, you won't see it. And I'll throw on some free YouTube music so I don't get a copyright strike. And that's pretty much it. Super fast, super easy to use, and it'll give you Bluetooth if you have a 3.5 millimeter jack. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.